Yo, YouTube, welcome to a special upload for Saturday. Just adding more to your experience, adding more to my channel, and I hope you have a great weekend. Love you, and you be safe, and I'll see you next week for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday's upload. So you be safe. God bless. Bye-bye. Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Peace. We're going back in time to the classic beef taco. That's the one we made with mom and dad when we were growing up. It was awesome. There's nothing wrong with the taco, but we're gonna make it today, going back in time, but with a few minor upgrades. Let's enjoy food. Tacos are great, and it's great to go back in time and remember the childhood days where we experienced so much love and food, and family was really important, and it still is. So let's go to the recipe. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube, so we have that 80/20 beef in there. It's actually a patty. Sometimes I find out that it's best to get patties and then break it down. So we're gonna just cook this, and at the end I'll show you what we can do to touch it up, because as of right now it's just regular beef, but we're gonna make that classic beef taco, but even better with upgrades. Alright, so our beef is ready. We're gonna add some Goya adobo. Throw that in there, and then we're going to use this taco seasoning. If you can't find this, look for the Mexican one. This will put definitely a good taste in there. This taco thing by Frontier is a really good seasoning. If you can't find that where you are, just look for a similar product. But you can find that online. So we're going to mix this about, and that definitely upgrades the typical beef. Alright, so our meat is done. Just to add a little bit of kick to that, and upgrade is add this mesquite. But you see that? You definitely don't want to put a lot in there. Just put a little bit in there. That'll give it some kick. And the final thing to end this to finish up this upgraded meat is throw some cilantro in there and just start stirring. So simmer this on low for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're done. You can build a taco. That's how you revisit the past, the old days of the classic taco, but then making it much better, adding the upgrades. See you at the recipe. Alright, YouTube, so we have that meat already done and upgraded, and now we have the hard tacos. You remember that was mom and dad living back in the old days when you used to have tacos each week. So we have the corn tacos, we got mild cheddar that's been grated, fine red tomato, fresh iceberg, and we have salsa. You can tell that I've been eating this. And this is one that has apple cider vinegar in there. So the thing we're going to do to upgrade this, we could do many things. Like if you really wanted to, you could take this. This is adobo sauce, and it's really smoky. You could add that. Today I'm not going to do that. You could use that to upgrade it, but to upgrade this, we're going to take this cheese and throw that in the bottom of the taco. Then we're gonna microwave this, and we're gonna start off with some really cheesy tacos. So the thing you're gonna want to do is, like I said, is throw that in there, then put it on a plate, and nuke it for 30 seconds. All right, YouTube. So we have the cheese in there. Now nuke that for 30 seconds. And that'll melt it, and that'll add the upgrade to the tacos. Alright, YouTube, so the cheese is in there. It's hard to show you with the color of these tortillas and the light. There's a lot of natural light, but you see that there's that cheese. So now you're going to want to take the take the filling and fill that. Alright, so take that beef that we made and fill both tacos. So you have that cheese on there, and then we'll be putting a little bit of cheese on top. So just fill that, and we'll do the rest of the toppings. Alright, YouTube, so we have that meat down there. Now I'll take a little bit of just cheese and put that on both. Doesn't have to be a science because you already had it. Now you're going to take the vine ripe tomato and fill both sides. Alright, so the tomato's in there. You can see that. You can see that the cheese has leaked down there. And 2 more steps. Take the salsa and put some on here and put some on the other side. So this is like definitely making the classic beef taco, but with an upgrade, even better. Alright, YouTube, so we have that in there. And the last thing we're going to do is take this iceberg lettuce and put that about. And here's your classic beef tacos that you made with your parents. Eat with your parents and your family, but with a couple upgrades. So this is a bonus Saturday upload video. Please enjoy. I'm trying to bring you as much as I can. And you be safe. God bless. And I will see you Monday with the regular upload. Peace. Dansoy.